Welcome, everybody. It's your girl, Delores, just the pink girl in my pink world here on YouTube. And as you see, I'm here for another unboxing. This time is for Rooted-N-essential oils. Your girl won 3 times. I think it was his 6th, 7, or 8, around that area, giveaways, because he gives giveaways every 100 subscribers to his YouTube family. So, as you see, I've won 3 times. So let's get into it. Hey, listen, I do it like this on this package because um, they have my address and everything on the front, back, side. As a former UPS employee, I can say you made sure that they knew where it was going. We didn't have to do all this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to looking for my pair of scissors. As you all know, I keep a pair of scissors. Today, we're going to use the Cricut scissors. Okay, so we're going to randomly choose, close my eyes, this. We're going to pick up this, okay? So, this one right here, let's cut it. Because, as we all know, your girl ain't got enough. I got the strength, but I don't want to use it on this, okay? So, first one. This one's for the 800 giveaway. Thank you. And because of, oh my God, this is the little bracelet. I don't know if you all can see the little bracelet. So cute. And lavender oil to go on it. Listen, your girl needs all the calming she can get. If you all don't know me, don't know a lot of calming I need. Okay, so we're gonna try to get this open. Fellas, y'all made sure that this was tight proof. Ain't no kids gonna get in this. Okay. Oh my God, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. I wish you could. I wish you could. Oh, it smells so good. Listen, I might have to get into these natural products. As Ruby said, get into it. I might have to get into it. Okay? So we're going to pick another one. This one. Okay? So this is 2 out of 3. That package said 3 out of 3, but this is 2 out of 3. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Let me get the stuff out, and then we'll talk about it. Okay. So this was for the 900 giveaway. Thank you. Then a little thank you card. You always can reach out to him. Oh my God. Again, this is the kids scent. If you all do not know, I don't have kids, but I have nieces and nephews. So, yeah, let's see how this smells. I was able to open this one a little better, y'all, than have a fight. Oh my God. I cannot wait to put this on them. Oh, I feel like Ruby, get into it. And then we got a roll-on applicator from Young Living. See? Cute. Look at that with the, oh my God. See the little applicator? Roll-on applicator to put you can put oils or perfumes in there and roll it on. Ooh wee. See? This is, you can't wait. I can't wait. Oh, and here's the little droplet that I can put some of the oils in. Look, hold on, let me take it out of the package. Let me give you all the fanciness of it. And it's pink, so you already know you got a winner with me. Let's see. There you go. Look at there, little droplet. I am so excited. But last but not least, the biggest package. Okay. Slightly Amazon. I won't tell you all. Not Amazon. UPS. Feel like it been cracked open and you all taped it. But we ain't gonna talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about it. But at least you all taped it back up right. Some things happen. I know from working in UPS. Things happen. Oh, they taped it good though. Okay. So first of all is these cough suppressant topical ointment. Let's see. Let's get it. How are we gonna get into this? Because the girl I had a little cough. So if this knocks it out later on, it'll be great. Oh my god, it's got a good menthol smell. Reminded me of when my grandmother used to put on there. Hold on. Thieves. It is a chest rub, oil infused topical ointment. It's so good, so good. And before we get out the big boy, let's talk about a sample of thieves. Ooh, it's a seed and to seal oil. Ooh, this is you drop 1 to 4 drops or olive oil onto the small skin. Okay, listen, and you can also use it as a diffuser. Listen, I'm down for a good sample. And this was when I won this, so it was 7, 8, and 9 that I won. Thank you, Rooted in Essential Oil. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And last but not least, because I answered the question, I got a little extra. Household cleaner, yes. In our house, we love lemon and we love to clean. So I was so excited to try this because if it's great and he says it can last about a month, then I will definitely order some more because I go through cleaning supplies here like 40 on West, but I'm gonna smell it through the top. Oh, it smells so great. Listen, I'm into menthol, lemony types of things, as long as it says glass, part water. You can clean it from 50 to 100 times. Degreasing 15, light degreasing 50. Um, most cleaning, like cleaning regular things, 30. I think this is great. I definitely will use it on glass because we have a lot of glass. If you all don't watch my channel during the day where I'm sitting at, the window is huge. And yes, it's great for a lot of light. And I haven't needed a ring light that much. But it is a pain in the butt in the summertime because it just blocks everything. So I got the lemon, I got the chest rub, I got a little vial dropper. Oh, so cute and pink. I got a applique roll on, a sample, a acetal, and 2 little infuse. Well, I can use this in the infuser or different things, the lavender, and then the little kids for them to like rub on and go outside. I am so appreciative of Rooted in Essential Oils for sending me this. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know, I will have him tagged in the description below, like we've done for Auntie Ellen, like we've done for RX Nails. Also, I will be putting his link in the chat as this appears. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, it's Saturday. I hope you have a great and wonderful day. A great and wonderful day. Okay? Because you've been with me since RX Nails. You have been through me with Auntie Ellen unboxing. You have been here with me even through the birthday. And I want to give a shout out to my nephew whose birthday was Wednesday. Nasir TT loves you. Uh, Also, you have been here through Delores Loves Art. Listen, you saw what I colored. Okay? I've been working on it all week long. Also, you have seen me unbox my own unboxing, my wonderful microphone, which I'm getting the hang of. So this is without it, but normally times you'll catch me now with my microphone giving you the 1-2 check. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, all I gotta say is I want to tell you I so much appreciate you all coming to my channel, liking, and doing all the things, supporting me so much. There's not a time in the day that I haven't been like, I am so appreciative of all those who follow me because you don't have to, you choose to. And for that, kisses. And until the next time, I want to say peace.